Hey, thanks for joining me back here for part 2, just starting out with some basic assembly. You'll see me use a shim there just to make sure everything's even.
Okay, so we've come up with this basic shape here. I like this. It leaves this area open, so I think I'm going to make a section for a couple larger bottles because the smaller ones may not actually fit.
Nothing too fancy here, just putting a box together that will eventually be the drawer.
Now what I'm thinking of doing is, because it's a drawer, I put a couple sliders on the bottom. These are just pieces of really thin plexiglass that I had, and that'll help it to slide in and out. But that's the drawer that's going to fit in the top of the unit. Let's just slide it here. And now I'm able to trim it out. I'm gonna this on here. All right, so I got all the trim put on, and what I'm going to do is just to even everything out, I'm going to just hit it with a little spongy sandpaper here. I'm just going to round over those edges just slightly. Some of the paint has variations, so once I do this, I will do one final coat over everything. In case there's some variations in the level, that'll all level it out.
Even though I'm spraying it with a spray paint, I like to run over a disposable brush with it, just to get a good texture and even it all out.
Well, here it is all complete. I've gone ahead and added a drawer here with a divider, easily. There's also a little brace so you don't push it back too far. One of the other features that I've done is I left the back open. As much as I wanted to put a backer board on there, this will allow for larger bottles to protrude out the back. Say you got a bottle that's a little longer. Instead of having it come out the front, it'll pick out the back. So I will mount this maybe 2 inches off the wall. And give it enough space to put whatever they want, some knickknacks. These are for larger bottles. These are for smaller bottles. Hey, thanks for joining me on this 2-part build series. I thought making a custom wine rack, whether it be shelving units or a buffet or whatever you need to make custom, hopefully I gave you a couple tips to bring into your own shop. A lot of this was kind of figuring out as I went along. I realized that there's probably a whole lot easier way of doing some of the things, but you know what? I enjoyed myself. It was a fun time. Plus, I'm giving a gift to somebody that they can't just go to the store and buy. It's made specifically for a specific spot so that their adult beverages have a happy home and look nice in the meanwhile. So thanks again. If you haven't subscribed, I appreciate if you would. I'm up to around 4,100 subscribers, so that makes me happy. I think I appreciate all of the people who watch my videos every week, and you have a great day. Again, this is Chris from TDW Woodworks, and get that woodworking. Have a great day.